Right, this is the hard one. I haven't recorded anything until now because all this stuff was relatively easy. Got to save my battery until now. Oh, well, managed to do it. Good. Doesn't help for very long, though, does it? Can't do it anymore. We'll have to go up this. I don't think. No, I can't get up there. Oh, a little bit better than I expected. I'm very cautious today. I'm in quite a lot of pain from my hip. So I'm getting a new hip at the end of the month, so this will be my last ride for quite a while. And I keep taking the painkillers today. We'll save the battery for a bit longer. Just 4 of us today. Ben, Jim behind me, and Hugh following on.
It's a blue button, isn't it?
Yes, that's right, yeah. I can't even ride down this bit. I've got Jim to ride my bike down for me. Ooh. That's very steep. Oh. It'll be better up there, I think. Oh, fuck. Oh, I'm glad I didn't walk it down. Right, I'm not looking forward to this. Oh dear. First gear, and this big step up here. Well, that's a good start, isn't it? I'll never get up there. Oh no. I'll have to get Jim to ride it for me. Yeah, I thought so. Oh, just in my leg. Shit. Ah, my leg's trapped as well. Oh shit. It's my bad leg as well. Oh, no chance. Okay. Oh. That's the way. Oh, don't take it too far. I've got to walk all the way up there now. Oh, shit. Oh. I'll go in. If I go in standing there. Oh. Oh, shit. We're coming back down again now and going around the easy way. Because I couldn't even walk up there. Ah.
Do you want to write it down from here or?
No, I'll do it from here.
Okay.
I think. If I can use this bank.
Yeah, with the low back end it lifts the front wheel easy, doesn't it?
Yes. As I said, I can only use my left leg. Oh, fucking hell. Right, I'm on now. Oh, thank you. Thanks, Jim.
No worries.
This used to be nice and smooth. Not anymore. Come on, little sheep, out the way. On our way to Dover's, Ellen. Hard job getting up that one now. Oh.